Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming, and today we have another set of keycaps from KeyTok, alright, and this is called the Snake Belle. Alright, and I'm really excited to show you how this keycap looks like. Alright, but if you guys have known, I review a lot of KeyTok keycaps, alright, especially from them, because their keycaps are really good, and they are 5-side type PBT, show that it won't be fade off after the long run. So it's really good set of keycaps. The printing is really awesome, and they have tons of designs. If you are into like a custom mechanical keyboards and you are looking for custom keycaps, KeyTok is the one that you guys should go for. Alright, without talking, let's just go ahead and see what this new design is. So I'm really excited to open up and see what we have inside here. Alright, and let's just see. Wow, okay, so it's my first time seeing this, as you guys, so they just sent me this and I have not looked at the pictures at all, so this is my first impression together with you guys. Alright, so okay, so this looks very futuristic, you guys can see. Alright, a lot of go away, but you guys can see it looks so futuristic, so nice. Look at that. Alright, wow, okay, so they have the keycaps for every keyboard layout. So if your keyboard is the maximum 100% keyboard layout, alright, they have each keycaps for you. And just look at various levels of different things they have over here. Really nice. Oh, and they do have a keycaps puller over here as well for you to pull the keycaps out easier. Alright, and these are the 3 different layers. They come in all different kind of space bar, different kind of designs. Alright, really nice. Alright, I would say it looks really awesome. Alright, let's just show you some of the designs they have here. Especially I love the anime's design and the translucency of the keycap. Look at the side, alright. The side is translucent. It's really nice, right? It gives off like the very green, futuristic computer style look in it, alright? Then look at it, this printing over here. Really nice, alright? And look at this over here. Alright, with the design over here, as you can see, it's very fine print, so it looks really nice. Alright, it's not like anyhow just printed on. It is very nicely done. Look at that. Alright, look at the details. It's super awesome. Alright, they give you like few different design for, I think this is for the caps lock one, so they give you like this design, or you can choose between this design as well, or up to your own preference, up to your own customization. Right, and they have like 2 different space bar for you to choose from. You guys can see. Right, they have 2 different space bar designs. So if you like this girl over here, you guys can have this, or you guys like want like a more futuristic space bar, you guys can have that as well. They have like various space bar for your various needs that you want. So it's really awesome. Alright, and for the like the normal WASD, alright, keys, alright, all of them will look like this, and I think this is really nice. Very simple, very clear to see the letters, the lettering, so you won't have any mistype. Alright, and overall looks really nice. The printing looks really good. Alright, very beautiful, and I love the escape key as well. Okay, so they have this escape key over here, very nice. I love this. It looks so cyberpunk. Alright, but you guys can also choose between other designs they have over here. So this is the normal escape key. Look at this, is so nice. Look at that. Alright, this is the escape key, and it just looks really pretty. Alright, and yeah, so if you don't want to use that, you guys can of course switch between like a few different other designs as well. They have it over here. Right, you guys can see there's a lot of other designs you guys can choose from, right, for your escape key. Right, and we do have like the enter key as well. Alright, very similar the design. They have 2 different enter keys for you to choose from. Look at that. Okay, so we have the portrait one and we have the horizontal one. So you guys can see, you guys can choose between 2 different designs, and there's a lot of customizations for you to go for. We have the backspace one. Look at that. Alright, really cool, really nice design. Okay, so I'm totally in love with this, and I love this, the arrow keys as well. Look at the arrow keys. Alright, look at the arrow keys. This is the arrow keys, or the down arrow key. Really cool. Alright, and especially I love this delete key as well. Look at that. Alright, the delete key. Alright, it looks so good. Alright, it's just like the computer, the old school style, the command line one, or the Linux line command prompt style, and it's really cool. With the bigger enter key over here, you guys can see. Alright, all the details are very fine, very nicely done. At any angle you guys can see it, and I love the transparent keycaps over here. Looks really awesome, and yeah, you guys can see the alternate keycaps over here. Alright, so yeah, overall it's more of a green and black theme. You guys can see I don't want to flip all the way because it's gonna spill, but you guys can see, alright, really nice designs. Alright, multiple layers of extra customization that you guys can go for. Alright, if you guys are looking for, like, you know, certain keycaps, alright, or key switches, you guys can see. You guys can go for all of this kind of designs over here, and yeah, you guys can see all the various design they have it over here. I don't tilt all the way, I get all the keycaps dropped out, but yeah, overall looks very awesome. I love the printing. The textures feels really good, and because it is like transparent on the side, so if your keyboard has like the white light, or probably like white RGB light, or maybe your keyboard doesn't have any RGB light. In fact, my custom keyboard doesn't have an RGB light, just a normal backlit white light. So if you were to put these keycaps on, it will give like a green glow to it, which I think it will look spectacular. And yeah, it just looks so futuristic a bit. I think the green glow will look so good with this keycap. So if you want something that, you know, makes your keycaps glow on the side, and you know, your keyboard all glow green, you guys can consider this Snake Blade one, the newest design from them. And yeah, I personally feel that this is really awesome if you're into like green and black kind of style. If you're like more of a like Razer, if you want to feel more like a Razer kind of style, but you want a customized mechanical keyboard with the Razer feel, I think this is perfect for that. Alright, so I just put everything back in case I mess up everything again. There's one time I dropped like all the keys and had to pick up each and every one of them. It's not something that you want to happen to you. So I just put everything back nicely, alright, before I tilt this upwards, alright, before anything bad happens. But yeah, so this is a Snake Blade one. Alright, it have for this set comes with for every keyboard sizes. You're going to use it for 75% keyboard, 65%, 85%, or even 100% keyboard. You guys will have more than enough keys and more than enough different kind of keys for the same keys for customization. So this is the Snake Blade, and I really love this style. If you're looking for a cyberpunk, futuristic or computeristic style, or even a more Razer style like, alright, you guys can check out this Snake Blade by KeyTok. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below, and you guys can check it out and get them for yourself. And they do have a lot of other designs as well for you guys to choose from. So yeah, so that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Alright, this is Snake Blade. Peace out.
Cry.